hit my pen and the light at the bottom turned red and white, and it's never done that before. So I plugged it in and it did not charge. I take that back. It did charge. It turned white. When I plugged it in, it turned red and then it turned white. So anyways, I hit it, but it was still doing the same thing. Half of it was red and half of it was white. It was weird. So then I went online and they said that you basically have to take this part off. Let me try to take it off right now. Okay, so you gotta take off this bottom part right here. That's at the bottom where the battery connects. I had to take it off with my teeth. I don't recommend that, but it was the only way I was able to get it off. It was really quick. So you see those little... It's not focusing. You see those little thingies right there? Basically, I mean, I don't know. Online it was saying that you take them out. But literally all I did was squish this squishy part back in a little more. Like around the edges and stuff. Not too much. And then... Okay, so then you just pop it back in. You put it back on. And it should work. You can't see the smoke, but it does work. So again, yeah, just a quick little thing for you guys. Okay, bye!